Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I will talk about coronavirus or COVID-19 and how to anticipate me and my little family in preventing coronavirus or COVID-19. Before that, introduce my name Dewa Ayu Dwi Partyastini, you can call me Dwi. You all know the coronavirus is right. Corona is an infection disease caused by acute coronavirus respiratory infection. This disease first occurred in 2019 in Wuhan, the capital of China's Hubei province, and has since spread globally. This symptom is characterized by fever, coughing, shortness of breath. This virus is spread mainly through close contact and through the respiratory droplets produced when people choke or sneeze. People can also get COVID-19 touching a contaminated surface and then touching their face accidentally. This coronavirus greatly affects human in terms of health and human economy. The spread is so fast that almost all over the world affected by this virus. Therefore, the Indonesia government recommend reduce the activity that are usually carried out by the community, starting from work, school, and going on vacation, with a lockdown in some areas and do social distancing. Learning activities are still being carried out, but learning is done through online. With online school, the student can still study at home. So the anticipation is carried out by the government to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The government is currently conducting health screening with rapid test method or rapid test to detect the spread of virus corona or COVID-19. People who test positive for coronavirus will get treatment according to the severity. Besides that, the government urges people to remain at home until the virus disappears. Talking about anticipation that my family and I do is to reduce activities outside the home. If indeed it must be out, my family and I use masks. And when we return home, we always remember to wash our hands. Apart from that, we must wash our hand properly. Okay, I will show you how to wash my hand properly. First, wet your hand using running water and of course also use soap. Make sure you wet your hands with clean water. Then use enough hand washing soap to thoroughly. It's not required to use special soap, but it is better if you use hand washing soap that has antiseptic or antibacterial, so as to more quickly kill virus and germs such as Dettol, Lifebuoy, and Biore soap. Here I use Dettol soap. Second, rub the soap on the palm on your hand. After the soap is thoroughly rub your palm together in a circular manner. The goal is so that the foam from the soap cleans your palm. Third, rub the back on the hand. Rub and rub the back of the hand so that the soap can clean the gum evenly. The right of palm of the back of the left hand and finger are connected, and vice versa. Then rub your palms together between your fingers. Rub the finger. You also have to pay attention to fingers with the position to each other locked. This step you can do to clean all part of your fingers. Fifth, clean thumbs and nail. Well, we usually use the thumb to type of screen of the smartphone remote. Push the evaluator button, which is a nest of bacteria. Rub the left thumb while holding the right hand palm, and vice versa. Then close the right hand to the left palm, rub it around forward and back with the aim of cleaning the nail tips. 6. Rinse and dry your hands. If you have done the method above, rinse your hands. After all parts of the hand are clean, you can dry them with a towel, or you can use disposable wipes. Don't forget to throw your tissue into place. Remember also to turn off the water. There are 6 ways to wash my hands that I can do to prevent transmission of the coronavirus or COVID-19. Not just washing hands properly, or our family maintains healthy by exercising, taking vitamins, eating nutrition food such as vegetable and fruit, and getting enough rest. Well, that was who I washed my hands to avoid COVID-19. Now, regarding nutrition food, while staying at home, my mother and my family order me nutrition food with a different diet every day, such as cooking vegetables. Vegetables are my favorite vegetables, such as cabbage, spinach, and kale. Apart from that, sometimes my mother cook meat, fried rice, and there are still more menu that my mother made when she was implementing this social distancing. At home, my family and I adopt a healthy lifestyle as eating nutrition food, exercising in the yard, so that our immune system is maintained. Besides that, we don't forget to sunbathe in the morning so that the body gets enough vitamin C. This activity is done by our family in order to avoid coronavirus or COVID-19. But when we do social distancing, we may feel tired of staying at home for a long time. So that's all my family and I do during social distancing or during the coronavirus. my family and I hope that virus will pass quickly because COVID-19 people are very distressed. For all, you take care of your health, stay silent at home, follow the rules for the common good so that this virus pass quickly. So from me, if that is a word or word, I apologize. Thank you for watching.